My name is Manisha, and I have been in the training and coaching industry for almost 20 years now. For the last 5 years, I have been a master trainer. I have been training aspiring trainers towards their academic or teaching practices. For the last 5 years, I have also been into completely online training. So this again coming back to offline training is a wonderful experience. So it's nostalgic as well. See, when I joined this training program, I thought that okay, it would be like some other training session that you generally attend. But to my surprise, the first day itself was mind blowing because the energy that Prashant sir brings in the sessions is, as I said, mind blowing. Apart from that, he is so poised that even when we feel so overwhelmed or anxious during the sessions, because there's so much to be absorbed, there's so much to be learned, and he's willing to give everything to you, he is so calm and he can give it to us in such a manner. He chunks down everything, and that's how it becomes so easy for us to learn. I would say that subject matter expertise, bang on. I haven't come across someone in so many years, in the last couple of years, I would say, that I haven't come across someone who's so proficient in in what he does. The sessions were, he would not just teach us or train us, he would actually make us do in the class. The entire program is designed in such a beautiful manner that every point or every class, there was something that I was looking forward to, hence I did not miss a single session. So the initial classes where how to design the entire training program was absolutely new for me. So every step, how to design, how to select the program and how to design it was something that brought a lot of insight for me. Training part was great, and apart from that, the entire program was great. But what I personally feel is amazing about this program is the business aspect. You just don't become a trainer, but you also learn how to build your business along with the trainings. So that is one thing that was the key aspect of this entire training for me. I've already suggested a couple of friends of mine to enroll for the program, and I'm hoping that they all join for the next session.